Well, I found the crane. Looks like I got here during midday nap. I'm going to pan off the side over here. Try to take it slow. Got some mallards over here. They look just about as thrilling as the crane does right now. Don't believe I'm going to get any good footage, unless you call a couple ducks just walking and swimming good footage. Oh, there you go. Now I got some even more boring footage of a turtle on a log. Yeah. Oh, it moved. Wow. I'm impressed by that. I was expecting it just to chill there the whole time and be a little bit of a joke. Thought I'd share a little pizza with you guys. To my fans. Love you guys.